How to change name on Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will learn how we can change name on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to top right corner. There you will find profile icon with the three-line icon. Tap on it. From your menu page, again tap on the settings icon at the top right. On the settings and privacy, tap on the first section, that is Meta Account Center. Once you're here, tap on the profiles and now you have to select your Facebook account. Once you land on this page here, tap on name. Now from this page you can change your name, but if you have already changed your name, you will not be able to change it again for another 60 days. So you have to wait for 60 days in order to change your name again. But if you have not changed your name recently, then you can change your name. Change your name, remove your current name and then type in your new name that you want to change to. Once you are done, tap on the review change at the bottom of this interface. After that, your name will be changed in your Facebook account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.